Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 3, Two Kinds of Food. This chapter is based on the teaching of Guru Nanak Dev, the Sikh Guru. Your chapter starts. Guru Nanak was the first of the people known as Sikh. He did not like the hatred between some of the Hindus and some of the Muslims. And he always tried to bring better understanding between these two groups. He also tried to get people to give up caste prejudice. Guru Nanak Dev, he always tried to help people to give up caste system, and he did not like the hatred feeling between the Hindu and Muslim community. One day, while traveling with a companion, Nanak took shelter in the house of a poor, low-caste Hindu carpenter named Lalu. He took a liking to Lalu and stayed with him for 2 weeks. One day, while traveling with his friend companion, he took a shelter in a house of a poor, low-caste Hindu carpenter. His name was Lalu. And he started liking the Lalu, okay? And he stayed with him in his hut for 2 weeks. Then he heard that people were saying, Nanak is a high caste Hindu. Why should he be staying with a low caste man? It is not proper. Here the local village people, they were saying behind him that Nanak is a high caste Hindu. Okay? And why he is staying with a low caste person, Lalu? He should not stay. It is not proper. One day, a wealthy landlord of the neighborhood decided to give a big feast and to invite all the 4 castes of Hindus: Brahman, military, merchant, and workers. One day, a very rich, a very wealthy landlord of that village, he decided to give a big feast. Okay, that is invitation for the food. And he invited all the people of the village of all the 4 castes. A Brahmin friend of Guru Nanak came to him and told him about the feast. You really must go. Please go for my sake, he said. But Nanak did not believe in caste and considered all men equal. He did not like the idea and said, I do not belong to any of the 4 castes, so why invite me? A Brahmin friend of Nanak ji, he came to him to invite him for the feast, okay? But he refused. Nanak refused to go to the feast. What he said? That he considered all men equal and he do not belong to any of the 4 castes. So why should he go to the feast? Yeah, said the Brahmin. Now I see why people talk about you. Malik, the landlord, will be very displeased with you if you refuse his invitation. And he walked away. Nanak did not go to the feast, and sure enough, afterwards Malik came and met him. Why did you dishonor me by staying away? So, Guru Nanak Dev, he did not go to the feast. He refused the invitation, and afterwards the rich landlord Malik came to meet him personally and to ask him the clearance why did he dishonor him by refusing his invitation. Why did you dishonor me by staying away? Sorry. Well, replied Nanak, I do not carve fine food, but if this offends means insult you, then I will eat some of your food. But Malik was still not happy and accused Nanak of ignoring his own caste and eating and staying with Lalu, a low caste man. Nanakji said that I do not carve fine food, but if you feel insulted, you can give me some of your very fine, delicious food and I will taste it, eat it. But the Malik was still unhappy, okay, and he was continuously blaming Nanak ji of ignoring his own caste, that is high caste, and staying and eating with the low caste Lalu. Then give me my share of rich food from your banquet, said Nanak. And turning to Lalu, he asked him to bring him something from his stock of simple food. When both food were set before Guru Nanak, he took Lalu's coarse food in his right hand and Malik's fine food in his left and squeezed them both. So both the person, the rich Malik and the poor Lalu, both the person brought the food. Okay, and both the food was set before Guru Nanak, and he took the Lalu's simple coarse food in his right hand, as you see in the picture, and the Malik's fine food in his left hand, and he squeezed them both together. From Lalu's food, milk flowed out. You see in the picture, from Lalu's food, milk flowed out. And from Malik's food, blood. This was Nanak's way of showing that the landlord food was got by a cruel bribery and oppression of the poor cultivators, and so was impure, while Lalu's simple food had been earned by honest work and was pure. So this story shows that the Lalu's food was earned by the honest, simple way of living. That is why it is pure, so the milk flowed out. But the rich landlord Malik food was earned by the cruel bribery and oppression of the poor farmers, cultivators. That is why a blood flowed out from his food when it is squeezed by Nanak ji. So this was your chapter, and with that we end our chapter. So hope you have learned it very well and you are going to solve your answers very nicely and keenly. So have a good day students. Good luck for your studies. Thank you very much.